Hello friends, this is Jalpesh here and welcome again to my channel Code with JV. So before some time Microsoft has released Visual Studio 2019 and in this video we are going to see the UI improvement and few other improvements of Visual Studio 2019. This is a part 1 of this particular video series. I am going to post a whole new series there and we are going to discuss all the new features which are there in this particular series. So before moving ahead, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel called Code with JV and please hit the bell icon. And once you are done with viewing this video, please hit like or dislike button, whatever you feel like. So let's get started. So here you can see like I have got Visual Studio Community Edition installed. So let me open it. So here you can see like it's a new splash screen, and this is the first thing which I wanted to talk about. Like here you can see like it is got a brand new dialog, which is like a start screen of Visual Studio 2009. Here you can see like there are my current projects there, and on the right side you have like 4 options. Like either you can open a project or solution from your hard drive, or you can open a local folder, or you can directly clone from your repository via GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket or Azure DevOps. So there are 4 options they've given, and you can also continue without the code. So like it will open the blank Visual Studio, and from there you can open the file menu, and there you can again like open the things which you want to open. So let's also go through this create new project dialog. So here you can see like now everywhere the search is there, and here from here you can also select the couple of languages like C++, C#, Java, F#, JavaScript, Python, query language, TypeScript, Visual Basic, and here you can see like a couple of the platforms stuffs are there. So there is Android, from where you can create like Apache Cordova and Xamarin apps, and of course there is Azure. Then you can also have iOS and Linux. In Linux, like you can create a C++ application for that, and based on that like you can create this on Windows and deploy it to Linux. Then like there is a Mac OS where you can create a Xamarin iOS app or Apache Cordova iOS app. Then tvOS is also there. Like Samsung is creating a new version of their TV operating system called Tizen. I don't remember the exact name, but like there is an operating system there, and for that also you can create the application. This is like a Windows application where you have like your WP app and other applications, and UWP like Universal Windows Platform, and of course there is the Expose. And in the project type you can see like lots of stuff. Like you can create web, you can create service, you can create Office 365 applications, machine learning are there, desktop applications, even you can create a Visual Studio extension. So like lots of stuffs are there. Like if I want to create my ASP.NET Core application, so here if I search ASP.NET, like it will give you all these new shiny stuffs. And like there are tags also, so like that way you can like open based on your tags also. So that is a cool thing to have. Now let me open the Knob Commerce solution, which is an open source e-commerce platform. So let me open. Okay, it's opening now. Okay, so it has been opened now. So here you can see like this is the Visual Studio 2019. There is no clutter. Like they have removed all these cluttered thing which are not there, and this is the thing I like most about the Visual Studio 2019. Like you are going to get only things which are basic. Then based on your requirement, you can add or remove windows. It is depends totally on you. Then another thing is like I want to talk about is this search. So here you can do something like a new project, right? So you can do new projects there. Even you can do font and other stuffs, like, so it will provide you all kind of search. So this is a fuzzy search. So if I write right, so then also like it will search something like it understand like I wanted to tell code instead of COAD, or if I type FOTN, right? So I hope you get the idea that it is like a, you can say like a fuzzy search. So it tries to understand even if you make also the spelling mistakes there. Then another steps I liked about this is like the theming part. So now here you can see like they try to mimic the Visual Studio Code colors. So here you can see like if and else are having similar to Visual Studio Code color. Even the methods name are also there. So this all new steps are there, and another great part is now they have code lines by default available. You don't have to mimic like a SQL data project or any other steps to have it. And like this is a community edition, then also like it's a full-fledged steps are available. So like you can create your own applications, and like there are lots of capabilities available with this Visual Studio. There are like couple of new other features like IntelliCode and live share. Like I will create a separate video, but like this is the just like a kind of a first overview of this project to check like how the Visual Studio look like. So here you can see like there are a couple of options here also available in the Solution Explorer, also like same as like the earlier versions of the Visual Studio, and there are like quite a great capabilities there. The another steps which I like most is like if you click on this project, it will directly open CS Pros file in the Visual Studio 2019 itself. Like you don't need to do like Notepad++ or Notepad to fix your project errors. So there are like lots of small things which are there in Visual Studio 2019, and like we are going to discuss that all one by one with several videos. So this is the first video in this series, and I hope you liked. I just wanted to give you a glimpse of Visual Studio 2019, which is like a awesome editor. I have been using it for like more than 5-6 days, and I have been using preview all year also, but like I have been using this full community edition since last 5-6 days, and I am just amazed, and hope you also got your copy of Visual Studio 2019. Otherwise you can download it from visualstudio.com. Definitely try check out the Visual Studio 2019, and I'm sure like you will not be disappointed. There is one more thing I wanted to talk about is like this theme. Like it is slightly the purplish color, which is like a kind of a different from the other themes. Let me show you. Let me open that thing. So here you can see like now they have 4 colors. So that is the light one, So here you can see like, so this is the default theme there, which is a white theme. Same way you have like couple of other options there. Dark is there, and the blue, regular blue one is also there, but I like the blue with the extra contrast one, so that's what I am using mostly right now. So there you go, tap light. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you like this video and if you wanted to have notification for every video, then please do subscribe to my channel Code with JV, and hit the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.